Hi, this is a tutorial series on InMotion, which is a motion and dynamic simulation add-in for Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can plot graph for position, velocity, acceleration data of a marker, which can be a part origin or marker associated with joints. Okay, then this is a simple simulation of a pendulum being acted by gravity, and we also have a rotary damper at the insert joint, which has this value of damping coefficient. Once that is done, we go to simulation. When we start simulation, after we get simulated data, we go to playback deck, and let's increase the speed of playback. We click on play forward. The pendulum bob is acted by gravity, and since it has a damping at the joint, the oscillation amplitude keeps on decreasing with time. As you can see earlier, the amplitude of oscillation was higher, and now it is getting reduced. Let's stop the animation, and to see the graph plot, we right click on the marker, then we go to plot graph, and there you get to see a form which has a graph in it, and below it you have parameters that can be changed. The y-axis, that is here, could be position, velocity, acceleration, angular velocity and angular acceleration. Let's stick with position, and the component could be x, y, z, or the magnitude of it. Let's say we go with x, and measurement unit, depending on the component and measurement, it will be listed. Y-axis could be between time or say frame number, and there are some more features that are not visible in the video. You have a button for color, using which you can change the color of the graph. So we can click on update to see how it looks. So this is for position and x component of it. Then we also have marker, type of marker. So I have clicked on star, and there is also something called as frequency, which will read alternate values. If I select 2, if I select 1, it will read all the values. Okay, this is how a plot looks like, and this is evident from the animation. The amplitude in the x axis is getting reduced with time, and slowly it dies down. And some of the options on the graph pane are you left click and draw a rectangle. You can zoom it till there. You can use your wheel button, middle button, and scrolling it will zoom it. Then you can click on the middle button, and you can pan the graph. You can right click and say set scale to default. It will go to earlier position. Copy will copy this image, and you can paste it later on MS Word. Save image will let you save the image. Similarly, you have export data to CSV, which will save the data as a comma separated value file. Page setup and print will be related to print. Show point values. After clicking this, whenever you hover on a point, it will give the values of x and y. Yeah, this is how plot works. Thank you.